The exhale is really where the meat and potatoes happen because that's when you are bracing and strengthening and stabilizing something. So an inhale is great. You're going to expand away from the curve. You're going to create space and volume and some strength, and it's fantastic. But the minute you exhale, you're going to lose that. Think about that volume happening on the inhale. And then on the exhale, that you're actually exhaling, obviously, but it feels more like a back pressure of an exhale. So the exhale should feel like more volume. So if we imagine that inhale to expand and then exhale to expand more. So you're bracing and contracting your muscles, your core, and your correction, but you're pushing more into the concavity on the exhale. You're not letting it collapse back down. So I think really important part of the breathing that you don't ignore, that the exhale is very powerful.
And this is where the nervous system is a key piece to this, because the emotional state that we're in as we're exhaling is that re-education process. And so it's feeling safe, it's feeling strong, it's removing any of the protection tension that we have, and we're replacing it with this strength and comfort and confidence and safety feeling.